How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to play Prop Hunt on Call of Duty Mobile on PC or on your phones. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, as the Prop Hunt game mode is already right there in the game modes list when you boot up Call of Duty Mobile. So if you guys are on PC, you would need an emulator called Game Loop or BlueStacks. So either way, it really works, but I personally prefer Game Loop as it provides more support for external peripherals like controllers, or if you plug in an external keyboard, then that'd work too. And even mice would work with Game Loop, but either way is really fine. So what had happened is once you have these installed, you would want to open up Call of Duty Mobile as normal. And when you do, you would want to log into your account and you want to basically follow this path right here, which I'll show you. So it's a pretty straightforward path, but I should let you know that Prop Hunt wasn't available until Season 13. So it was a limited time game mode on Call of Duty, but I believe they've changed that. They've actually made it a permanent game mode on Call of Duty Mobile. So to actually play it, what you'd have to do is once you boot into the game, you want to select multiplayer mode, and then you want to click on the game mode selection. And you want to click on featured because Prop Hunt is always featured there, or rather showcased there. And when you do it, you want to click on start your match to, or basically queue for a game, and this would matchmake you with a bunch of different players to play Prop Hunt. And Prop Hunt is quite fun. It's basically hide and seek where you disguise yourself as an object, and someone would, or rather the killer or the hunter, whatever you want to call it, would be looking for you. So it's a lot of fun, and you guys would enjoy it, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. That's how you can play Prop Hunt on Call of Duty Mobile. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.